for second round. Kay Perez, pag wala na kalagyan mo sa set, kunin mo na. Muna 10 seconds. 100 seconds. O kaya kung may fan kayo dyan, electric fan, Jesus life. Dasad na tayo natin. Baka tayo masagasahan.
Hindi na yung pwede. Pang-release. Pang-release mo. Next time.
Okay, go, go, go!
Pang last round na lang.
Magdadala ng prizes natin for the winners. Miss Lulong, from Sports. Okay, please get 9710-1194. May isa pa? And then 91.